Presently, there is no dearth of SEO companies offering services to businesses online. The only problem is about picking the right one for your business. This can be a tricky process. In this episode of A Folk Wish will know some crucial tips to hire the best SEO company for your business. Before starting the video, I will request you, if you have seen this video of A Folk Wish first, then subscribe to the channel first. And thank you very much if the channel is already subscribed. Each company claims to be the best. Hence, you need to choose the right SEO agency for your business. Listed this video, here are some crucial factors to consider when choosing an SEO company. Number 1. Past performance. This is one of the most crucial factors to consider when hiring an SEO company. Look at the past performance of the agency. You should check for the verdicts of the associated client on websites. You should also verify the comments posted with the clients. Make sure you ask for services after delivery. A reputed and responsible SEO agency will offer such a service without asking. Number 2. Value for money. When it comes to SEO, you get what you pay for. So going for a cheaper option may not really help. There are some companies that charge more than the market rate. Some may charge less too. However, it is worth to paying well to get good results. Talk to the company directly regarding your requirements. It also helps to check certifications and other achievements of the company, including Google Partner. Also have a look at the number of years they have been in service. Number 3. Testimonials for company. You must read a lot of testimonials and reviews written by past clients of the company. This will help you get an idea of how the company works, and whether it has a huge number of happy clients in its kitty. Reading reviews about a company is one of the best ways to know about their previous work quality. You can reach out to Yelp, Google My Business, Yelp, and other popular places to know about reviews and rankings given by clients. Genuine reviews by clients are reliable. Number 4. Check rankings of company's website. Since you are taking services of an SEO company, it is important to check if their own website ranks well. This is a kind of testimony for the quality of services they deliver to you. So check out their own rankings on Google first. In case they are capable to provide top rankings to their own websites, they are skilled enough and can bring decent rankings to your website too. Number 5. Avoid long-term contracts. When you are working with an agency for the first time, avoid getting into a long-term contract initially. These days, most SEO companies provide their services on monthly basis. Hence, it is not wise to get into a long-term contract process. A month-to-month contract will help you to judge their performance every month, and go further once the commitments were fulfilled. This will save you from the clutches of a bad company. Check out this video for 5 small business ideas for women entrepreneurs. Number 6. Customer support and reporting. Make sure you inquire about this. A good SEO company will send you reports on a regular basis. In most cases, this is a daily reporting kind of thing. Ask several questions related to the customer support services they offer. A team of representatives should always be available to solve your queries and concerns. Final thoughts: keeping in mind, the above listed points will help you to choose the best SEO services for your business. All you need to do is to understand your marketing needs and judge skills of varied SEO agencies. Most reputed SEO agencies are offering free quotations and consultation to their prospective clients. You can schedule an appointment with one of these services and make the most out of it. If you like this video, please like and share it with friends. And what kind of video you want to see, write it down at the comment.